May bagay na bumabagabag sa'yo right here. May bagay na posibleng gumugulo at sumasakop ng isipan mo ngayon. Nahihirapan kang mag-focus rito sa mga dapat mong gawin. Daily routines, work, yung iba baka nagsa-study or yung iba naman baka business yan, no? Nahihirapan ka rito mag-concentrate because this is you so eager here, okay? To clear ano man ito na bumabagabag sa inyo. Gusto mo dyan ng parang maayos na 'yan or magkaroon yan ng kasagutan, mga gano'n, 'no. So, you really want to fix that, whatever that is, 'no. So, parang yan, para sa'yo ay hindi clear pero gustong-gusto mong gumawa ng paraan, 'no, para yan ay masolusyonan. See, we have here actions being taken. Might be communication or you're gonna communicate the situation here with someone you're dealing with. So, let's see what's happening here for you guys. Whatever is this also makes you feel sad and nakakuha rin ako, no, ng parang takot mula sa iyong energy. So let's see. Let's all find out. What is that keeping you stay up late all night thinking about the situation here? Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out for you, collective. Maaaring meron ka ritong bagay na matuklasan na maaaring magdulot sa'yo ng kaguluhan or posibleng pagdududa sa sitwasyong ito. So, maaaring meron kang madiskubre na truth or something here, no? Mula sa nakaraan, no, pwedeng may mahalungkat ka or pwedeng meron kang marinig or malaman, no, or may madiskubre ka with this Ace of Swords energy and the Page of Swords energy, no, some kind of an information, no, na pwedeng magkaroon or magdulot sa'yo rito ng confusion or posibleng pagdududa. Nakakapanlumo ito, no, pero maaaring meron ditong gustong sabihin ng iyong angels and spirit guides na madami sila, yan, no. This gypsies right here, no, or this fairies right here around you, no, together with the butterflies right here, no. These are your angels and guides right here, wanting to tell you some kind of a truth tungkol dito sa nalaman mo. Kasi this is something here, no, na parang nakakapanlumo, bagay rito na pwedeng ma-misunderstood mo. Okay? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. From this reading here for you guys, I do sense sa iba tapos na to. Sa iba naman, pwedeng yan nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at sa iba, meron pa sa inyo, no, na hindi pa ito nangyayari, no. I'm getting that strongly. So, you might want to stay and hear this message out. So, yeah, there is some kind of an information that you will definitely discover or malalaman mo yan, no? And this is something here na pwedeng ma-misunderstood mo, pwedeng magduda ka, or pwedeng ikaw to, no, na after mo yang malaman, manlulumo ka na, and then parang ikaw to, no, you will feel like na parang mali pala ako. Akala ko ganito. Yan, no, may ganun ako nakukuha sa'yo. I'm getting that type of energy na parang ganun, no? This is you sighing, no? Parang buntong hininga kind of thing about the situation here. Okay? But spirits are saying, no, they're trying to tell you something about this truth that you will discover. No? Parang meron silang gustong sabihin sa'yo here and we're gonna find out. So, let's lay all the energies first on the table. So, before this pala, no, let me just say hi and hello new subscribers. Yan, no. By the way, my name is Yan. Tuloy-tuloy po kayo rito. At sa returning subscribers, maraming thank you sa inyong walang sawang suporta, no. At syempre, meron tayong new channel, yung Doll Name. So, see you there, no. Ang link niyan ay nasa description box. So, yun ay collective readings for all signs. Kaya naman, kung ano man yung zodiac sign mo, mga babes, no, welcome na welcome ka doon. Just take how this resonates, no, and you might hit that subscribe button para mapindot mo rin yung bell at maging updated ka, no, kapag meron na tayong freshly upload na video reading. So, ilatag na muna natin lahat. So this could be someone here you're connecting here with so much love. You love this person here at connecting na kayo. Yung pwedeng may relationship na kayo with the presence of Ace of Cups, no? And there's this lovers right here. So I do pick up that this person here, you love him or her so much kung sino man siya. And this person here, you feel like no, he or she is being sent by your angels and spirit guides, and you are right. This person is definitely sent by your angels and spirit guides. For others of you, I told you this is not yet happening, but you will be connecting here with someone meant for you, meant to stay here with you guys. And that person will be sent from up above. And you will definitely love this person here so much dahil dito sa overflowing, no, na parang false, no, na big ace of cups. No, nakikita ko, no, na mamahalin mo siya dito ng sobra. And I'm getting this type of reciprocity coming from this person here as well. So, yung nakikita natin. So, ilatag na natin lahat here. Wala tayong gender mga babes. Okay, babae, lalaki, LGBT. You're welcome here. Oh, okay. Oh. You've got beautiful cards right here. So whatever it is that you're thinking, I think we've got answers from here. Yeah, it's very clear. Okay. So, hey there mga my loves, no? So, nakikita ko rito, you are connecting here or you are about to connect here with someone, no, na magiging special sa'yo. Like, mamahalin mo siya ng sobra-sobra rito, no? Sa rumaragas ang tubig na yon, no? Like, waterfalls. And water ay symbol ng emotions and feelings, no? Love and passion, no? Sa tarot. And yung iba sa inyo, in relationship niyo na siya, may relationship na kayo, may commitment na kayo, yung iba nagpakasal na kayo, yung iba naman boyfriend, girlfriend, yung iba naman nag-uusap na kayo ngayon, yung iba wala pa 'to, pero ito yung nakikita kong mangyayari here for you guys. So you will definitely discover here something, a truth 'no, na puwedeng unexpected mong malaman. Na-discover mo ito kasi puwedeng narinig mo ito sa isang person right here. This is definitely here the truth. Either ikaw yung makatuklas niyan sa sarili mo, either this is something here unexpected. This is someone here na hindi mo pipilitin yung sarili mo, no, na alamin ito, like, boom, bigla na lang ito, no, na susulpot, no, unexpectedly right here. You will discover this information from nakaraan right here, no, and it's truth. Totoo yun. Kung ano man yung bagay na yun, totoo yun, no? Pero ang nakikita ko rito, no, this is something here na pwede ditong magdulot ng kaguluhan or pwedeng magdulot ng pagdududa, no, with your person here. Maaring pagdudahan mo dito ang kanyang love for you because of this. But I told you, it's just a misunderstanding. Ano bang ibig mong sabihin dun, Miss Yan? We have here the presence of Six of Cups energy, Wheel of Fortune, and there's this Eight of Swords energy. This is you. Kung ano yung information na yon, kung ano yung bagay na pwedeng marinig mo, no, sa ibang tao or madiscover mo, no, lalo na kung kayo ay magkasama or kayo ay live-in, no, or kahit hindi, no, basta meron kayo matagal na rito, no, na commitment 'no, like welcome na kayo 'no, sa each other's na bahay 'no, 'yan. Puwede kang may makitang bagay or may makita ka ritong impormasyon 'no, that's something here na puwedeng hindi mo alam. And I do see na hindi naman ito tinago sa inyo. Yung iba mga babes 'no, this person here is parang hindi naman niya naiisip na na kailangan niyo pa yun malaman or whatever. Yung iba naman, puwedeng hindi naman dito tinago pero puwedeng pinakuwento niya rin sa inyo 'no, and that made you think, 'yan. Ano bang ibig mong sabihin? Because if this is your reading, this person here, meron dito siyang minahal before and high resemblance na puwedeng kamukha mo yun. like literally. Puwedeng literal na kamukha, kahawig mo or puwede naman mga babes na hindi mo kahawig pero this person here is halos parehas kayo ng pag-uugali. Kilos might be mannerisms, no, at behavior din, no? So, whatever the case may be, kahit ang kambal, ito example lang 'to mga babes, no? Hindi ko sinasabing kakambal niyo 'to, pero sinasabi ko sa inyo kahit sa kambal, meron talagang pagkakaiba, no? Kahit dun sa identical na twins. So, kung sino man 'to, no, na person na 'to na lumalabas dito na may tungkol na informasyon doon, this is his or her past girlfriend, past boyfriend, or past wife, or past husband right here. So, kung sino man yung person na yun, no, I'm definitely seeing that this is someone here he loves or she loves so much in the past. So, there is also an indication right here that that person already passed away, like puwedeng wala na here on earth, no? And then others of them is like they've separated from that person here, okay? At hindi na rin binanggit dito kung anong dahilan nun, pero sila ay nagkahiwalay. But ang malinaw sa akin dito, no, kaya nangyari yon because this person here is meant for you. Other things ay kailangan mangyari para magawa or mangyari 'no, ang talagang bagay na nakatakda. And that person is not meant to stay in his or her life, but definitely created a different world, like naging happy siya with that person, but that person isn't meant to stay, at hindi ko naman nakita na sila ay nagtalo or nagkaroon rito ng hindi magandang, um experience 'no, nung sila pa ay magkasama or magka-connect pa 'no. So, this is definitely here the past person. Either kahawig mo siya, either kamukha mo siya, or kahit hindi mo siya kamukha 'no, naalala ka niya. Kahit itong person na 'to bago mo 'to nakilala lalo kung kahawig ka nun or kamukha ka nun, nagulat din siya at first. Pero hindi naman siya rito, alam mo 'yun 'no, hindi naman siya rito yung klase ng energy na iisipin niya na, um, tawag nito, gagamitin ka niya 'no, para muli niyang mabalikan 'no, yung person na 'yun 'no, hindi gano'n, eh, 'no. Yeah, at first puwedeng nakita niya sa'yo yung kanya ritong ex 'no, dahil puwedeng kahawig mo, kamukha mo 'no, or nung nakikilala ka nitong person mo 'no, nakikita niya rito na meron kayong pagkakapareho, mannerisms, behaviors 'no, pero this is you. Okay, mga babes 'no, this is you na malalaman mo that that person here is sobrang minahal niya, mm. And this is you, maaaring magduda ka sa feelings and emotions niya na parang, "Bakit dahil mo lang ba ako minahal, dahil kahawig ko siya, kamukha ko siya, or naaalala mo siya sa'kin, nabubuhay yung ala-ala niya sa'kin?" Yan, there are energies right here that that person na pinag-uusapan natin 'no, ay already passed away at yung iba naman 'no, is separated na totally with this person here. Pero hindi na mention rito ano yung specifically since general message ito. Pero ano man yung naging reason na yon, malinaw dito that that person is not someone here that is a bad person, but they've got separated 'no, to make way for the right path here because this person, kung sino man 'tong mahal mo rito, sino man yung ka-in relationship mo, sino man 'tong person na papasok sa buhay mo, ay ang taong nakatakda for you. Kayo ang nakatakda rito. So, nakikita ko rito na puwedeng 'pag nalaman mo, nadiskubre mo rito 'no, na ito pala yung ex niya or whatever, hindi naman sa tinago niya yun sa'yo, alam mo yun? Meron kasing mga tao rito na hindi dahil masakit yung pag-usapan, kundi dahil hindi na yun importante, dahil ang importante ngayon ay ang ngayon at ikaw ang nasa ngayon at ikaw rin ang nasa hinaharap para sa kanya. So, nagkaroon man sila rito ng magagandang mga alaala, nakikita ko yun, pero hindi siya nabubuhay sa mga alaala na yun. Oo, alam niya, minahal niya yung tao na yun. Oo, alam niya, nagdala yun sa kanya rito, no, ng mga bagay na marami siyang natutunan, lumigaya siya, no, with that person here, no, that person here is minsan niya ritong pinagpasalamat sa buhay niya at hanggang ngayon, yes, 'no? At ngayon kung may pagkakapareho man kayo 'no, hindi ka niya rito ginagamit dahil lang kahawig ka nun or dahil lang parehas kayo ng ugali rito 'no, kundi dahil mahal ka niya bilang ikaw. Ikaw ang ngayon at ikaw rin sa hinaharap, okey? Wala kang dapat ritong ipag-alala, pero nakikita ko na yun yung magdadala rito ng bagay na puwedeng ipagduda mo or parang ikaw 'to na, "Minahal mo lang ba ako dahil kahawig ko siya? Minahal mo lang ba ako dahil parehas kaming ganito, dahil yung favorite ko ganito?" Yes, meron talaga kayong pagkakaparehas nun, kaya nga magiging ganito ka, eh. So whatever the case may be, you do not see that these gypsies or fairies or butterflies, your angels and guides symbolism, nakikita ko rito na gusto nilang iparating sa'yo na mali ka, mali yung hinala mo. Oo, maaaring magkamukha kayo ng tao na yun. Oo, minsan niyang minahal yung tao na yun, pero hindi niya binubuhay ang alaala na yun sa'yo. Hindi ka niya niligawan, hindi ka niya minahal, hindi siya rito nagparating ng emosyon at feeling sa'yo dahil nakikita niya sa'yo yung tao na yun, like hindi. Tanggalin mo yun sa mindset mo 'no, dahil what you do not see here is that this person here loves you for who you are. He or she is not seeing that person from the past in you. He or she, yes, alam niya, ina-accept niya, ina-acknowledge niya na naging parte yung person na yun ng kanyang nakaraan dito, pero ikaw ay minahal niya bilang ikaw. At ikaw yung pinipili niya dahil ikaw yan. Hindi dahil tinataglay mo ang pagkakaparehas niyo, hindi dahil kamukha mo siya, kahawig mo siya, blah, blah, blah. Okay? You are appearing here as the Queen of Cups and this person is appearing as the King of Cups. See, we have here divine counterpart. Let me show ya. Diba? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing right here that this is just a misunderstanding, but you will definitely hear the truth from this person's mouth. I'm sensing that this person here will open up this to you, okay? And this person here will definitely tell you the honest truth that you are someone here that he or she loves. The moment that he or she is dumating ka sa buhay niya, this person sees you bilang ikaw at hindi bilang itong tao na 'to na minsan niyang naka-connect sa nakaraan. This person here will definitely make you feel tsaka dito alam mo naman, alam mo 'yun na mahal ka nitong person na 'to 'no, kaya lang 'no, sometimes 'no, we are being deceived by informations right here and that causes confusion. But, okay, nagkaroon din ng clarity, no, after mong madiscover itong bagay na to. Dahil kung hindi mo na-discover itong bagay na to, no, hindi mo lalong mapapatunayan na tama yung nararamdaman mo, na totoo naman talaga tong person na to sa'yo. The only blockage is this, okay? Minsan, nagkakaroon na tayo ng sanga-sangang fear, no? Sanga-sanga rito ng mga opinion na hindi naman totoo. That's why I told you, spirits are saying, no, trust your heart, trust your soul. This person loves you. But because of this misinformations, no, na nagdulot rito mga babes, no, ng fear sa'yo, ng confusion sa'yo, ng pagdududa sa'yo, no, ang mismong minamahal mong tao ang magki-clear niyan sa yung thoughts, no. I'm seeing that healing is coming in between you guys. And I'm picking up that this person here will definitely told you an honest truth right here that you are, okay? He or she loves right now that you do not, okay? You are not someone here na nakikita kanya bilang yung tao na yun no? Kasi gusto niya buhayin sa'yo like hindi. You're gonna hear from this person here na wala siya ritong minamahal ngayon kundi ikaw, collective, at ikaw lamang. Yes, no? So, nakikita ko rito nakakalma na kayo. Nakikita ko rito mga babes 'no, na eto lang rin naman yung gusto ninyong marinig, ang marinig mula sa tao na ito 'no, na ikaw yung kanyang minamahal at hindi yung babae or lalaki na minsan niyang minahal na naging bahagi ng kanyang nakaraan 'no. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes na magkakaroon dito ng clarity 'no, nakikita ko rito na na ito yung klase ng connection 'no, na na alam mo yun, na maaaring at first 'no, gano'n talaga yung maiisip ng kahit sino. Pero ito yung klase ng relasyon na hindi ko nakikitang bibitiw kayo agad sa isa't isa. Because this person here will definitely, okay, continue to love you hanggang sa hinaharap at sa future nakikita ko kayong magsasama nitong person na 'to. Trust this person here because I know that your heart, your soul is telling you something, 'no? Spirits are also saying you can trust this one, you are safe to love this one right here. So, wherever that tao mula sa kanyang nakaraan, I'm seeing that it's already finished contract. Ang kanilang chapter ay talagang matagal nang sarado at close book na. So mga babes 'no, wala ka ng dapat na ipag-alala rito 'no, at nakikita ko na lahat ng mga parang agam-agam mo ay magfe-fade away dahil maririnig mo or after mong marinig 'no, ang truth from this person who loves you. Yeah. So yeah, wow, I know it's hard for you or challenging for you right here, but your person, okay, loves you. Hmm. This is the person meant for you. So, nakikita ko rito that you will definitely, no, mas mararamdaman mo rito mga babes, no, na itong tao na to ay minamahal kang tunay. So, yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Na thank you so much. And by the way, that new channel, no, Dalnim, link is in the description box. See you there. Okay, sarang hail, love and light.